Today I will be discussing the flight initiation behavior of mallard ducks and 4 hypotheses of why they initiate flight. This first clip shows a drake, which refers to a male duck that becomes startled and relocates closer to his mate a few ponds away. In the second clip, this behavior is exhibited by both the male and female as they fly further upstream together. My first hypothesis is the causation hypothesis. Ducks will launch into a brief flight to relocate somewhere in the same area when approached by a terrestrial predator due to their flight response of their nervous systems. To support this hypothesis, I found an article titled Innate Responses of Mallard Ducklings Towards Aerial, Aquatic, and Terrestrial Predators by Desborn et al., 2012. In this article, it is discussed that mallard ducklings will display more innate responses to frequently encountered threats, whereas their response to an uncommon threat or predator is conditioned. These findings suggest that over years of human and mallard interaction and hunting, mallards have built a hormonal response to risk of predation by humans. The second hypothesis is the development hypothesis. Mallards learned as ducklings to evade humans to avoid being hunted. To support this hypothesis, I researched an article titled Why Are Numbers of Mallards Declining in the Northeastern United States? The Possible Role of Predation in Winter Feeding Sites by H.W. Huseman, 2017. Huseman explains that in 1987, the mallard duck hunting season was adjusted to 60 days, which will cause the population to decline and ducks to distrust humans over time. For my third hypothesis, which is the evolution hypothesis, I stated that most waterfowl fly away when in contact with a predator. Mallard ducks have also evolved this trait. To support this hypothesis, I found a research article called American Exceptionalism, Population Trends and Flight Initiation Distances in Birds from 3 Continents by Mallard et al., 2014. These findings showed a 27 to 29% variance in the distance various bird populations initiated flight when in contact with humans. This shows that although there is some variance, birds have evolved to take flight when humans get too close. My fourth and final hypothesis is the function hypothesis. The mallards initiates flight to make sure that his partner and potential offspring are safe. To support this hypothesis, I researched a study called Female Choice and the Benefits of Mate Guarding by Male Mallards by Ellen S. Davis, 2002. In this study, Davis found that females preferred males that had higher testosterone levels in spring, which better increases their mate guarding ability and may provide protection to a nest of eggs. And in connection to our coursework, Module 6 Cogbooks T11, Anti-Predator Adaptation. Mallards exhibit a fleeing behavior when encountering humans similar to the example in the textbook of a gazelle fleeing from a cheetah. This is an example of an anti-predator adaptation.